Another useful tool that can help you solve some critical Windows problems is the System File Checker tool, or SFC for short. You can use the SFC tool to fix Windows instability problems, which can result in crashing the system with the famous blue screen of death. You can also use it to restore a system file that integrity has been corrupted, maybe due to a virus. The SFC tool is easy to use. You need to open a command prompt as an administrator, then type the following command: sfc/scannow. This command will tell the SFC to scan all system files and replace corrupted files with a cached copy located at the C Windows WinSXS path. When the SFC finishes scanning the system for corrupted files, you may receive one of the following messages. Windows Resource Protection did not find any integrity violations. This means that you do not have any missing or corrupted system files. Windows Resource Protection could not perform the requested operation. To solve this problem, perform the System File Checker scan in safe mode. Windows Resource Protection found the corrupt files and successfully repaired them. Details are included in the cbs.log under this path. Windows Resource Protection found the corrupt files but was unable to fix some of them. Details are included in the cbs.log file. You can read the log file, identify the files, then you can replace them manually by a known good copy you can grab from another computer with the same Windows 10 version. In the upcoming lessons, I'm going to show you in details how to use the